Alright, you little toots. What have y'all been doing? I see y'all are using the box pretty well. That is good. Alright, let y'all out for the first time. See what y'all do. Alright, come on. I will find the milk. What is that? There you go. Look at that. That tastes good. There you go. Come on. Where are you going, Toot? Get over here. Look at that. Alright, come on. All y'all get up here. Hey, what are you doing? Come here. Come here. Come here. Let me show you. Let me show you. Alright, there you go. Put your head in there. There you go. Smell it? Right there. Come here. There you go. Oh, somebody stepped in it already. Get around here. There you go. Come here. Get on this side. Put your head down there. Look at y'all go. Poor Brick. You don't get none, do you? Oh goodness, are y'all hungry? My goodness, are y'all hungry? Okay, where you going? Where you going? Where you going? I hear that big dog. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Why'd you come back in here? Huh? Come here. Come here. Hey, come here. Come on. Come on. Oh, come here. What's the matter with you? Come here. What's the matter with you? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? I see your tail wagging. Come here. Come on, don't let them eat it all. Come on, don't let them eat it all. Come here. Oh my goodness. Look, there's still some left in there. Look at that. There you go. Are we stretching? What's the matter? Hey, little tooth. You got it all over your nose. What you doing? Little tinker. Little stinkers. Little stinkers. Man, y'all cleaned that up pretty good, looks like. Yep. You got more exploring to do. Got more exploring to do. Alright, in case you can't see, it's the blue collar boy. Here is the pink collar girl. This is the beige collar girl. Pink one climbing over her. And that is the yellow one right there. Who's this? This is the camo. This is the pink stripe climbing on me. Look up here. Who am I missing? Beige, pink, and yellow. Guess that's the orange one back over there in the corner. Yep. What you doing in there? What you doing? Let me see your face. Come here. What you doing? All right.